Are you struggling with weight loss despite all your efforts? Have you heard of intermittent fasting but aren't sure how it really works? What if I told you that when you eat is just as important as what you eat? In this video, we're diving deep into the science behind intermittent fasting and its powerful impact on weight loss, fat burning, and overall health. We'll explore why timing your meals could be the secret weapon you've been missing. This isn't just another diet tip. It's a game-changing approach that can shift your metabolism into overdrive. And there's more, a promised reward at the end of this video that could amplify these benefits even further. So stick around, because what you're about to discover could completely transform your health journey. First, let's talk about the problem. You've been eating late at night thinking a small snack won't hurt. But research shows that eating during the night can mess with your circadian rhythm and lead to weight gain. Your body's internal clock expects food during daylight hours, not during sleep. This leads us to the solution. The solution is simple. Shift your eating window to the more active parts of your day. Aim to start your meals in the morning and finish them by early evening. This aligns with your body's natural rhythm and maximizes fat-burning hormones. But how do you make this shift in practice? Here's how you do it. After waking up, don't rush to eat. Instead, extend your overnight fast by waiting at least an hour before having your first meal. Then, finish your last meal a few hours before bed. This simple shift can have profound effects on your weight and health. And the benefits don't stop there. By following this time-restricted feeding pattern, you're not just losing weight, you're shedding more fat specifically. This method helps you maintain muscle mass while torching fat, giving you that leaner, more defined look you've been working towards. Remember, the key is consistency. The longer you stick to this pattern, the more your body adapts and the more fat you burn. But we're not done yet. There's a secret weapon, a natural supplement that works synergistically with intermittent fasting, giving you that extra edge. I'll reveal what it is at the end, so keep watching. So to recap, intermittent fasting isn't just a fad. It's a scientifically backed method to boost your metabolism, burn fat, and enhance your overall health. By simply adjusting your eating window and sticking to it, you can see significant changes in your body. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment about what you're going to try first. And now, for the promised reward. Introducing Java Burn, a revolutionary supplement that enhances the fat-burning effects of your morning coffee. This all-natural, tasteless powder dissolves instantly and works perfectly with your fasting routine. Click the link in the description to try it today and supercharge your weight loss journey.